My love for cooking comes from my mom, my grandma, my great-grandma, and my aunts. Everybody cooks. I joined the Army and I was stationed in Germany. I was cooking up food, deliciousness in the barracks, and I ordered a portable oven. And I'm in the middle of the desert cooking cakes, cookies, pies, everything, you name it. And then I realized, like, I really do love food this much. I decided to invest in myself and go to culinary school because I need that backing. You know, anybody can say they're a chef. As far as the management portion, that's really where Escoffier is really helping me learn how to actually run a restaurant, run a cafe, or run a business. And that's what I want. I do want my restaurant. I'm gonna stick with breakfast for now. If food is your dream and culinary is your dream, Escoffier is the place for you to be. They really do care about you at Escoffier. They really want you to succeed.